happy 4th of July. I'm here with the Avenge X, but not just any Avenge X. This is the chassis build, the budget competition slugger. We're gonna go 50 yards. The blue, we're gonna put a star in the Star Spangled Banner, and then we're gonna go white, and then we're gonna go red. Then we're gonna go to the 75-yard targets. The ram is blue, the turkey and the ham are white, and then the chicken is red. And then we've got balloons. At 100 is a blue, 115 is the white, and 125 is the red. There it is. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nailed it, dead on. There it is. There it is. Happy 4th of July, y'all. This is awesome.